Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you the third part of the cold calling series. And this episode you not only will see cold calls to the UK, but I will be adding also cold callings to US because I will be calling the both countries, and you will see the track document that I have to track my cold calls and how they perform. And if you want to know more about this document that I have or that you will see in this video, let me know in the comments. And also guys, nearly 92% of you are not subscribed, so I'll appreciate a lot if you subscribe because my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think that complete that all together, so I appreciate a lot. And being said that, let's go straight for the cold calls. Hi. Hi, is Terry there? Terry. I have here that it's called Terry. It's not Terry. Yeah, and I saw on LinkedIn that the owner is called Terry. Yeah. Okay, but okay, so I have probably the wrong information because on LinkedIn I saw that the director is called Terry. Okay, so I probably have no problem. I have the wrong information. Thank you. Bye. Hi, is Mark there? I have here a document that says that the names of the owner of Robertson McIsaac Insurance is Mark. Ah, can you hear me well or it just? Okay, so I was saying that I have here that the owner is called Mark, so I probably have the wrong name. The owner's name is not Mark. Okay, so I have the okay. Thank you. Hi, is Brian there? Okay. No problem. I can call back later, so it's no problem. Yeah. Thank you. Hi Matt. So I'm gonna be transparent with you. This is basically a sales call, so I don't have something to pitch to your business. So you like to ham now or give me 30 seconds? You can totally decide. I can call back later, no problem. It's probably crosses the line or don't worry. Is Mark there? For Mark? Is yeah. Or I have because this is Meredith Insurance Agency, right? Because I have here that the owner it's called Mark. So okay. Yeah. So I have here the and what is his name? Because if not Mark. Okay. Yeah, if I can. Okay, thank you. Salted. Hi, is Mark there? Hi, can you hear me? Yeah, so I was saying that is Mark there? Mark. Mark. Yeah, because I have here that the owner of the OneLet risk management is called Mark. But I think that have the sorry? No, I was saying that I think that have the wrong owner's name because it's not Mark, right? Hi, is John there? My name is Matt. From Spain. Right now from Spain. Okay. No, I can call back later, so no problem. Thank you. And if you made it through here, I appreciate it a lot. Thank you a lot for watching all the entire video, because not much people still to the end. Subscribe, because I said at the beginning, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think that we can accomplish that all together. So the like is appreciated, and also the subscribe. And being said that, take care and thanks for watching.